Hello everybody! We are playing some Penguin Simulator. I don't know where my sister is, but I think that's her. Is this you?
No, that's not me.
My sister's
I
huge. How do you punch?
Oh, I think it's E. Press E to punch.
I hate him.
No.
I don't like him. Pressing E. It's not working. I'm punching or doing anything.
Put your fist down. Put your fist down.
Die.
He's stronger than you.
No, he's not. What's his name? No, he has 13. I have 24 pounds. I
have 613.
Oh, that's exactly where I just was. Where are you? Is that you?
This is me.
Where are you? We need to meet up somewhere.
Meet up by
That hill right over there.
No, Austin. Meet up by the tower.
Why are you so small?
Oh yeah, it just did that. But I'm gonna turn big. See?
Okay, meet in the cave.
I can't fit in the cave.
Oh, because you're too flat.
I don't see you. Are we in different
Oh,
worlds?
on the other side. Yeah, we're in different worlds.
Oh, you didn't join me.
Okay, guys, 1 second. Okay, guys, we are back, and this guy's trying to punch me. I couldn't really get into a game with my sister because, as you know, it's her thing that she goes on is kind of laggy, and her iPad's about to die.
So we'll just have to go on a side.
Between these two codecs.
Oh, what's that?
Sorry, my sister has like an ad that
It just
comes
puts
on,
on commercials.
and she doesn't turn the volume down.
Well, my mom kind of turned it up.
Blame it on your mom. Oh, and her iPad's dead.
No, it's not. It's not dead.
Oh, are you joining?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're in. Okay, where are you?
Oh no, I'm still loading.
It says you're right here.
I know.
Is this you?
No, that's not me.
Okay, he's AFK, so I'm gonna kill him. How much kills do you have?
22.
I have 1. I have 2, sorry.
I'm by the mountain.
Okay, you're on the other side. Oh, I see you. Never mind, it's not you. That's you.
Hi.
So,
Austin, I know a way. Hey!
I killed you!
No, Austin,
Oh,
that
the
big
guy-
guy did.
Oh no.
Austin, I know a way.
French fries!
Austin, I know a way.
Chocolate!
Get away from me.
Oh, I see you, Sydney.
I'm punching.
I know, I see you. That's why I'm coming over.
I just flung a guy right into, like,
Sydney, somebody's coming up behind you.
no, they're too little.
Yeah, so you can still kill them. Get a free kill. Oh, what's up, my little bro? Die. Sydney, do you see me killing that guy?
Yeah, I see. I can't get my controls. There.
Peace.
Ugh, I'm big.
I'm gone, Sydney. Penguins shall rule the world. You rule the world. And there's a huge guy up here. Unicorn Gamer.
19.
I'm strong. Wow, I just killed her. Probably because she wasn't fighting back. I like this game. We might do like
More videos. If
Yeah.
my iPad dies, we'll just wait a minute. And then we'll just wait a couple minutes and then we'll start the video.
Yo, I am on top. Oops. Yeah. Yo, I'm on top of the world. Let's not have that happen.
Sorry.
Why are you up on my territory, bro? Get off my territory.
Yeah, I did that before. Austin, you'll need to come down. I can't get on.
Why?
I'm too
That doesn't matter. Yeah, because you're too fat. I stay in shape. But I like fish, so I want to get some fat. Bye, cowabunga. Oh,
My
I get a free kill?
No.
Thanks. Somebody just sees me punching you. It's like, come boom, kicks me. Sup? I'm just gonna murder you.
It's too hard. Too strong.
You're too fat. All I feel is jelly. Right, because I'm on the ground. I need to sweep the legs out for like. Hit the nuts. Hit the nuts.
Sorry, I'm too strong. Well, I guess I'll start to charge my device, and I'll just keep watching you. Okay?
Here, eat. Eat. Eat.
You know,
Eat the fish.
I know, it takes a while because you're crunching.
But look, you won't eat it.
Just keep pressing it.
Eat the stupid fish. Is the game like frozen? This is kind of cool.
Yeah. Well, guys, I think we can end this video.
No. We're just gonna come back. Hey guys, we're back. Sorry for that delay. My microphone wasn't working for a little bit. But we're back. We have connection to the server again. People are going in there. Oh, that's a death pit for you guys, because I'm going back right in there too. Are you guys going to your mommies? What does this egg do? What does this egg do?
I don't know.
I can like just fit here.
I tried to.
Stop, bro.
Just do the new, and then he won't kill you. Do the new.
He killed me. I mean, if I just do the nude, he won't kill me.
Yeah, you did.
What do you mean? Oh, he can't kill you if you just do the nude?
No, he can still kill you.
But he just doesn't want it. Sup, bro? Oh, does that mean team?
No, it doesn't. You're just being cute. I don't know what egg means. I've tried, but I just keep pressing the screen.
Come on. Bear Kings. Hey. You mean I'm just trying to
How'd
do
that
whatever
big guy get in there?
He probably was little and then he went in there.
Stuck.
Watch this. This guy doesn't even know. Come from behind. RKO. Oh, look at Randy Orton. Oh, yeah, he's too strong. Get in.
He killed you.
I hate this. Run away.
Probably as big as him.
No. He's bigger. I just started playing the game and I'm this fat. That's what he said. Oh, this guy can't get in. Is your mommy there? Oops, sorry, I slipped. My finger slipped. What? Just eat when I'm on the ground. Eat. Don't attack them. I wanna live. Oh, hey, little buddy. Just scope out the little guys and just kill them, and you get a bunch of kills.
But they can be big. You never know.
Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy.
The little ones can run faster.
I know. Yeah. Come back here. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back here, you little. Yeah. Boom. Executed.
I can go in that little cave.
I will. Then he's gonna murder me. Shoot faster. Hey, little guy, want a piece of me? Right here. It tastes really good. Got some extra ciders on it. Sup, bro? I'll kill you.
That's the guy you already killed.
Ah! Look at bigger than you. I'm already fatter than you. Haha, I'm fat. This is not something you should really brag about, but eat punch. Sup, bro?
Why do you keep aiming for him?
I didn't know he was this bad. But I guess if you go to punch somebody, you have to finish punching them. This guy doesn't want to fight, eh? Yes, he does. Yes, he does want to fight. Yep. I really do. I like fighting, but I suck. Sup, little bros? I'm just gonna get a bunch of kills from that. What? He's not dead? Execute him. Execute him. Oh, little buddy. Come back to Papa. It's like my last time in here. If I eat a little bit more.
Austin, don't kill them because this is a family in here.
So
they can kill you.
Family or none?
New.
Yay, he's gonna let us. He's gonna let us stay here. Yay!
He's protecting you.
I'm never gonna be able to get back out.
Are you sure you are?
Should I just punch him? Make it look like it was that fat guy.
Austin, he's the second strongest.
In the world?
No, in the, yeah. In
Hey,
the world.
hey, who's punching me?
In this world.
I hate you people. Not you guys, you subscribers, but you people.
The Earth game.
Yeah. Is there even rebirths in this?
I don't know. No, there's no rebirths.
Yeah, because how
But
can you
you
get
can
knocked
triple
out?
your pounds.
That might be hard. Double burger. Come at me, bro. Why are you so scared? So wimpy.
Okay, I'm just gonna go and check my device.
Why are you so wimpy, bro? You little wimp. Why are you running? I'm so far away from home. Sydney, I already got 19 kills.
19.
That's better than you.
No, I'm more.
Well, you have 22. That's almost as better. This guy's AFK.
He's already. If you see his
I
health.
have 22 kills.
What? How does that count? You have 19.
I know, but maybe killing fat people gets you more. Sup, bro? I'm strong.
I'm stronger than you, Austin.
Are you? Fight me then.
I'm in my 600s.
Let's go. How do I have more kills than you?
Well, it matters of the pounds. So I would be
Besides squeezing in.
over
Come in.
this guy.
He killed somebody.
Austin, you should do face cam.
I should try. But I might need stuff for that. Sup, bro? Oh, hey, little buddy. I'm gonna kill that guy. Don't attack Joe's or die. Hose or die. Are you Jose? Jose Altuve.
That dude who's in here, he's the second strongest. There's a person who's in their thousands.
I'm just getting so much kills. I have way more kills than you, Sydney. Ah! I'm dead. Okay, let me back in. I promise I won't do it again for good. I probably will. I probably will. I probably am gonna do it again. I just want to go in there and murder.
Okay.
Slaughter. Look, I'm getting so much kills.
What?
I have 34 kills, you guys, right?
Austin,
That's way more than
how do
me.
you get back in?
I can't get in. Yes, I'm in. Job. YouTube sensation. Miranda sings.
Oh.
Miranda sings. Sec, guys. So I just need to get fat. Oh my foot! I just cracked my foot. Fight me, bro. I hate how they're faster.
At 11, you have to cut your video off because of my birthday. We have to watch the ceremony. Okay? Okay. I understand.
Gosh.
Now you ruined it.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. My dad just wants us to get off at 11 in this video. This video might be cut shorter than it would be, but hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.